In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok username. By default, this is what you're going to see as your TikTok username. And TikTok gives you the option to customize the TikTok username to something of your choice. So literally, all TikTok users can customize or change or even update a 16 TikTok username. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok username. So the first you want to do is open the TikTok application. So on the TikTok page, you want to click on the profile icon at the bottom right on your TikTok page, and here you should see your TikTok profile in this manner at users and some numbers. Then you can easily customize this to something you can easily remember on your TikTok. To change this default TikTok username to something different, click on edit profile, then locate username and tap on the username button. Then you want to click on the delete button to delete all this username. Then you say username cannot be empty, of course. Then you need to type in the new username. Now type in your new TikTok username and then wait to check whether this TikTok username is available or not. So if the TikTok username is available, you should see this check mark that says your TikTok username is available. Then what you need to do next is this. Make sure you click on the save button. However, so type in your TikTok name, and after that you see this check mark. Otherwise, if you are unable to claim the TikTok username, what you need to do is check here. Username can contain only letters, numbers, underscore, and period. Changing your username will also change your profile link. You get to know that when you change your TikTok username, it will also change your TikTok profile link. See, this is now my new TikTok profile link. Now, what you need to do next, once you are done changing your TikTok username, is click on the save button to save changes. Once you hit the save button, you should see a folder that says update username. You can change your username once every 30 days. So if this is not the exact username you want to change to, you need to hit the cancel button and then edit the username again and type the correct username, because you're not able to change this username for the next 1 month. Then hit the save button. So you may choose to synchronize name to your TikTok username here. Then click on confirm. Once you hit the confirm button, just hang on, and then you should see your TikTok username change to the new username. And here's the profile name. If you hit the back button to return to your TikTok page, then you should see your TikTok username change to the new TikTok username you set on your account. So this is how to change your TikTok username from the default username to a new username or anything on TikTok. So if you found this really helpful, if you want to hit that button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quality videos just like this.